Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 27 Mary Street on the Range. This Queensland-inspired home with wide verandas, with a brand new roof and a gorgeous kitchen is in a great location. Just a walking distance from the Rockhampton Botanical Gardens and the Rockhampton Golf Club. I'm sure you're going to love it. Take a quick tour. You know what I really love about this home is how its endearing original quality features like this rake ceiling still exists, the extension and making the home feel truly large. But more recently, the owners have done a wonderful job renovating this kitchen, and now it's got plenty of storage, dual ovens, a large cooker and stone bench tops. I think this is the centerpiece of this home. Well, there you have it, 27 Mary Street on the Range, situated in one of Rockhampton's most premier locations with a great terrace backyard, a wonderful home with gorgeous kitchen. This home is sure to impress. If we can help you own this wonderful property, give the team at McGrath a call today. We would love to help you out.